Give this to me. Give it to me. Who are you? Who are you? Give my drink. Bring it now. What is wrong with you?
Can you just calm down? I can see the spirit of God all over you.
Joy, please, who is this? I don't know him. You don't even know him.
Listen to me, young girl, for your information. While you were in the pool, these two guys, I don't know what they are to you. Do you know what they did? They poisoned your drink.
Jesus. What? Give me that drink right now. Give me a drink.
You slap me?
Yes, I will stop you again if you don't give me that drink. Give me the drink right now. Don't mind this idiot. He's lying. Okay? This guy is...
Shut up, Goba. I'll so beat you. Sit down there. Who are you?
He's lying.
Move. I will use this your iron sponge head. I will use it to smash the wall. What do you do, bro? Just sit down.
Don't believe this.
I will kill you.
Joy, don't believe...
Shut up. Do you know me? Rubbish.
Do you know who they are to me? They are my close friend, my best friend. I can't believe this.
Calm down.
They are my best friends.
What? You say you did not poison this drink?
I did not poison it.
Can you drink this drink, madam?
It's not my drink. I can't drink it.
You have to.
It's not my drink.
You are very stupid. Look at this.
Jesus. It's not what you think, Joy. You are a devil.
What?
I thought you say you love me, Joy. I'm so sorry. You don't know, I was so jealous of you. Imagine you're getting married next week. And you have so much money. You have a lot of things. I'm just so jealous of you. How can you do that to me, Joy? You say you love me. I'm sorry. You're my best friend and you're too Moyo. Sorry.